Hello everyone, this is Tapesh here. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I am going to share a story with all of you, which all of us has heard during our childhood days. The story of a woodcutter. There was a woodcutter who stays in the outskirts of a village in a small hut, and on daily basis he used to chop the tree and sold the wood to the rich merchants, which helps him to earn his livelihoods. So it was his routine, which continues for a daily routine, which continues every day, a week, and every month. Once, while he was chopping the tree near the river, the axe slipped from his hand and fell down into the river. So he was so much worried, he was so much concerned that he started praying to God. Okay, God, please help me in finding my axe. And his prayer was so sincere that God appears. And God appeared and asked him, yes, what is the problem? Then he shared the entire episode with God. So listening to his story, God put his hand into the river and took out one axe, silver axe, and he asked the woodcutter, "Is it your axe?" That woodcutter responded, "No, God, this it doesn't belongs to me." Then again God put his hand into the river and take out one axe, golden axe. Then again he asked the woodcutter, "Does this axe belongs to you?" Then also woodcutter refused, "No, God, this axe doesn't belongs to me." Again God put his hand into the river and took out the actual axe which belongs to the woodcutter. After looking at that axe, the woodcutter responded, "Yes, God, this axe belongs to me, and thanks a lot." So God was so much pleased with his honesty. God gives all three axes to him, and he was overwhelmed with joy and happiness. So why I shared this story, because today's topic is, I would like to correlate this story with today's topic. Today's topic is honesty in everything is must. You see, the honest behavior of the woodcutter has rewarded him beyond the expectation. And why this story was shared by our teachers, by our parents during our childhood, because they actually wants to taught us the lesson of honesty. There is a specific moral of this story. The moral of this story is, in whatever situation we are, and whatever condition we are, we should always be honest towards everything. Number two, this honesty may get you to particular stage, may helps you in reaching to the particular stage, but it will not stay for a long time. It may last very early. And number third thing, honesty is a virtue. Honesty is a virtue which found in very low people, and one must nurture it. Guys, I share my experience also. Honesty may not help you to make so many friends. Honesty may not help you to reach at some particular position, but have a faith on me. Whatever relation you are going to build with the help of honesty, those relation will be honest relation, and it will last for a long time. It stays for a long time. Number two, honesty will help you to reach at the desired position. Help you to reach at the deserving position, the position you actually deserve. So this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.